If you have bad credit, should you file bankruptcy or try a credit repair? Let's find out in this episode. Sturgis Credit Repair is a 5-star rated online credit repair company. We help people just like you build or rebuild their credit scores. If you have no credit history, we offer products to help you build credit history so that you never have to depend on anyone co-signing for you. If you have bad credit, enroll into our service today and allow us to work on the negative items affecting your credit scores. We take no money up front, so start our service today for free. You'll get updated through your online account as well as receiving updates through your email. For those who are trying to buy a home, we're partnered with multiple real estate agents and loan officers who are ready to assist you with your goals. If you are a real estate agent, loan officer, or anyone dependent on customers with good credit, create a free partner account with us today. You can manually send or receive clients through your online account as well as track their progress before they go to someone else. Visit our website to learn more about our services. In this episode, we're going to talk about you should file bankruptcy or try a credit repair. Now, before we get started with this episode here, I am not giving you guys any type of legal advice. I am not a lawyer. If you're looking for legal advice on if you should file bankruptcy or not, exit this video or podcast, however way you're listening or viewing it, and go consult with a bankruptcy lawyer. I am not giving any type of legal advice at all. I am just explaining the differences between the two. And this is only concerning credit reporting. This is not regarding financial advice or any type of legal advice when it comes to getting legal advice from any type of lawyer, any type of attorney or law firm, anything like that. So if you're only watching this video because you're currently being sued by a bank or creditor, again, exit this video, go consult with a real lawyer, because I am not a lawyer. I am just kind of giving you the difference and comparing the two based on credit reporting, not any type of legal situations there. So now that you understood that, let's talk about the difference here. So I get a lot of people who try credit repair, or they want to try credit repair, and they get to the point of saying, hey Chris, my credit scores are so bad, I have all of these charge-off accounts. Is credit repair worth it, or should I just go ahead and file bankruptcy? So let's talk about a few things. Now, this is regarding somebody that is not being sued by a bank or any type of person that's in any sort of legal suit or anything like that. So this is just for an average person that's not being sued by a bank, that just have negative items on their credit report and they want to hurry up and kind of fix their credit. So with a bankruptcy, it costs money to file a bankruptcy. So you have to hire a bankruptcy lawyer most of the time, and then you actually have to pay the court to file bankruptcy. So from the jump, you're already money or probably thousands into trying to file bankruptcy. As far as credit repair, it costs little to nothing. Most credit repair companies, or all credit repair companies, offer a free trial because you have to follow the Credit Repair Organizations Act, which states you cannot charge money up front. So I know for a fact our service is free to start. So it costs little to nothing to try credit repair, okay? With bankruptcy, it costs money to get your bankruptcy attorney and then filing bankruptcy in a court. So it costs money to even get started with bankruptcy. Number two, and again, this is only relating to credit reporting. I am not giving anyone legal advice saying that they should not file bankruptcy, especially if they're being sued by a bank or sued by multiple creditors. So this is just for somebody that's not being sued or any type of crazy lawsuit or anything like that. This is just someone who's debating if they should file bankruptcy or try credit repair before, filing bankruptcy or something like that. So bankruptcies reports for 10 years. That is a long time to have negative accounts on your credit report. As if you don't file bankruptcy, accounts naturally fall off after 7 years. So even if you try credit repair and credit repair did not give you the best luck, the accounts automatically falls off of your credit report within 7 years, or after 7 years, not within, after 7 years. So you kind of take 7 years versus 10 years. It doesn't make sense to keep a bankruptcy on your credit report for 10 years when it falls off after 7 years. So the time is kind of different, with bankruptcy versus credit repair. So it makes more sense to not go the bankruptcy route when it comes to time. Number 3, public record. So when you file bankruptcy in a court, it is a public court documented record. So it is a public record of yourself that you cannot afford to pay all of these banks back or all of these loans back or whatever the case may be. It is a public record. As if you tried credit repair, it is not a public record. So no one knows that you have bad credit unless you go out to a dealership or a bank and apply for a loan. Then the people at that company are going to see that you have bad credit. But outside of that, having bad credit is only between you, yourself, or a credit repair company if you are hiring a credit repair company to do the work for you. With credit repair, you get deletions within months. So credit repair is a month-by-month process. Some people get lucky and get results the very first month. It's not common, but it can happen. But most people see the most benefits within 5 or 6 months in any credit repair service because, like I said, it is a month-by-month service. So, the first month or two, you may not have the best of luck. And then 3, 4, 5 months in, 6 months in, those debt collectors may start getting lazy. They stop verifying a lot of the stuff that the credit bureaus try to investigate. So you do get deletions within a few months versus having that stuff on there for 10 years or 7 years if you don't go bankruptcy. So credit repair is the best thing. I definitely would not want something on my credit for 7 to 10 years. I would much rather try credit repair, rather I do it myself or hire a professional company and they can get it off within a few months. That's a no-brainer. And then again, with bankruptcy, not get sued. So again, you're filing a public record that you cannot afford to pay all of these banks back or all of these loans back. So that kind of eliminates you or puts you in a safe spot to kind of say, hey, I can't pay you back your money, as if with credit repair, all you're doing is just trying to dispute the negative items off of your credit report so that you would not be turned down when you go to apply for a loan. You won't have those negative items on your credit report. We can prove that those items are not verified, or we can prove that those items do not belong to you. So that is all with trying to compare bankruptcy to credit repair. I hope this video helped anyone out there who's debating if they should try filing bankruptcy or try the credit repair process. Depending on if they want to do it themselves or hire a company, it's the same process. Just you get a little bit of more of a professional guaranteed process if you hire any professional credit repair company out there. But if you have any questions or concerns after you have watched this episode or listened to this episode on any of our platforms, then definitely reach out to us at SturgisCreditRepair.com. You can call us 225-243-9700 or email us at info@SturgisCreditRepair.com. Thank you guys for watching this episode and stay tuned for the next one. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.